Hello everyone, so in this episode today I'll be installing the Machine Art Moto Mudsling, which is basically the fender extender for the front and rear of my R1250GS Adventure. So let's get started. So it comes nicely wrapped in a bubble wrap. This is the rear one, what you can see here. This is the rear extender. Comes with the instruction and some zip ties. This is the front one. Comes again with the instruction and a couple of screws to fasten it. Let's start with the front one. So this is the OEM fender. Make sure it's nice and clean. I've washed the bike, so it's pretty clean and nice. This is the Machine Art Moto extender. All that needs to be done is this is on the other side. So this once I am facing it like this, all I need to do is push it up, and this is going to slide up in between the bracket here, and then I put the clamps in and screw in. So it's a pretty small thing. Shouldn't take you more than about 5 minutes, I would say. So as you can see, as I slided this up, the OEM fender came in. It's perfectly fine and intact here. This is the claw that comes with the extender along with the screw. So one goes on each side. Make sure that the claw faces up. Once you put the claw in facing upward, all you need to do is take a T25 Torx screwdriver and screw it in. Repeat the same process on the other side and I'll show you the final results. Here is the final look. Pretty sturdy and extends it all the way down. What this helps and avoids is throwing any of the stones back here, when we're riding off-road, or any damage basically to the engine or the seals at the back. So that's very helpful. Extends it, looks nice and clean, matches to what the OEM fender is. The rear extender comes down from here and extends it further below. As you can see, the OEM one is, I would say, half. So when the stones, basically anything you're riding off-road spins through, and there's a possibility of damaging the rear shock. So the extender extends further down and avoids any of those issues. Let's start with the installation of the rear fender now. Here's the rear fender extender. Take it down carefully here. Hold it from down. I haven't put the zip ties on till now, but as you can see here, that the OEM fender kind of clips into the Machine Art Moto one, little bit from the down, that holds on to the fender. And these two holes I'll be putting in the zip ties to hold the fender up, and that's all that's needed. Here's the final look. The zip ties are all tied up. I'll just cut the excess ones now, and the fender extender is snug fitted. I've made sure that it's not hitting the tire in any way, so there is a gap. Let me show you the other side now quickly. The other side is all tied up as well. A little bit tricky, so it could take you maybe an extra 1 minute to pass the zip ties, but overall it's all done. And as you can see from the right side, it's extending all the way down. The OEM one comes all the way till here, and the extender extends it further down, so avoiding any, as much as possible, any rocks flying or hitting the rear shock. Thank you for watching this video, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss on further installations that I'll be doing on my BMW R1250GS Adventure. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.